Hi everyone, this is Shadi Abdu with the weekly analysis. As usual, we're going to start with the euro against the American dollar on the daily time frame. As you can see here that we have an uptrend line that we can see in red, so what we can do this week is to wait for the pair to slide down into the uptrend line, which means that it may go down at least 90 pips. And in case it goes down to reach the uptrend line, and if it shows up some positive factors right above this level, we can go long targeting the level of 1.18 during this week. This is conditioned by the continuation of trading above the uptrend line. Now let's move to the GBP USD. As we can see here, pretty much the same. We have an uptrend line, and here is the third trough, and the first here, the second, and here is the third that is being formed. So what we can do is to wait for the pair to show up some positive evidence, and then we can go long targeting the level of 1.38 during this week, and this is conditioned by the continuation of trading above the uptrend line. Let's move to the gold. As you can see here, we have an uptrend line, the first trough, the second, and here is the third, but we will be waiting for it to go down to reach the level of 1275 or maybe 1280 during this week, and this is where we can wait for some bullish evidence which confirms the positive scenario that it may continue going up to reach the level of 1310 during this week. Now let's move to the Australian dollar against the American dollar on the daily time frame as well. We have an uptrend line. Here is the first trough, the second, and the third is not formed yet. So what we can do is to wait for it to reach the uptrend line here, and in case it shows up some positive evidence, we can go long targeting the level of 0.76 during this week. So this means that we are going to wait for a while until the pair goes down to reach the uptrend line. This means that there is no trading until the price goes down to reach the uptrend line. In case it shows some positive factors, we can go long as a matter of fact. Now let's move to the GBP JPY. We have an uptrend line that is broken here. Another one is broken as well here, so let me draw it for you. But it has one trough, the second, and the third here, and it is broken, but we have a strong support level that is located between 144.50 to 148.10. So this is where we can wait for some bullish evidence, so we can go long targeting the level of 149 during this week. In case the level of 144.50 is broken, then we can go short targeting the level of 142 during this week. I hope this helps, and thank you for watching the video. Have a wonderful week.